Hey guys, I'm going to be doing some Muthead pack openings. Yeah. See, I did one of them already. Oh, sorry. I already did a few of them. Let's go to the next pack. I'm doing intensity packs. Go back in the... Oh my god, it's glitching. Damn. I'm going to go to simulator. Let's do intensity packs. They're really good. Okay, let's go. We get... Oh my god. You get pretty... Ooh, Santonio Holmes. Ooh, Nate Solder. Correct me in the... Ooh, but correct me in the comments below. And Chris Johnson. Pretty good. Todd Gurley. Larry Fitz, 94 overall. That's pretty good. Check that real quick, guys. That's a really good pack. But that's glitching up again. Let me go to the next pack because it's really good. That's the block. Right there. Ooh, Joe Hayden. Alrighty. Ooh, Josh Norman. Ooh, oh, DeAndre Poe. More elites. Yeah, ooh, yep, take a look at that. A Roy Williams legend. So if you want to take a look at the cards as close as you can. But the link is going to be in the description below, so you guys can go do like your own if you want to do it yourself, too. If I don't get no elites, then let's... Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Mikhail Kendricks. Ooh, a Greg Lloyd. So that was a pretty good pack. How can you guys get these? Never mind. Sorry. So we got Charles Tillman, a Sam Shields, TJ Lang, Joe McCoy, and a Cam Chancellor. Not the best pack in the world. I had some better packs, but yeah. Oh, ooh, a nice Cameron Wake. Ooh, another legend. Let's go, fullback. What elites are these? Are only elites? So we got two of these back. Taking a screenshot. Pretty good packs. I like them. Ooh, so we get D'Angelo Williams. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Ronnie Hudson. Ooh, wait, what's this? Oh, that was not that good of a pack. Because it's just for fun opening some packs and stuff, but it's really fun. Ooh, a Wes Welker. Alright. Ooh, pretty good. Wait. Another John Aberman. Ooh, a Michael Strahan. Let's go. But sadly, this isn't Madden Mobile because I would freaking love this pack. Okay. Pretty good. Oh, there's elite cards there. Ooh, we get Le'Veon Bell. Ooh, what's that? Oh, not that good, 86. Not that good of a pack, only two elites. We could have done better. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, another legend. Let's go. Ooh, we get 86. Ooh, Odell Beckham Jr. Brandon Flowers. That's the thumbnail. Okay, there we go. That's that pack. So I'm going to do like a few more. Todd Gurley. Really? Are we going to get elite in this pack? Oh, yeah, we're elite, I think. Yeah. That was a total buns pack. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, 95 overall Kyle Listen. That's cool. I like it. Ooh, Calais Campbell. Ooh, Andre Reed legend. Ooh, 20 Gonzalez. And a Bruce Ivory. How many points would that be? Oh, damn. What was that? What? Aww, took away my pack. Oh, putting our pack back in place. Oh, crap. We open it. Like I said. How many points was that? So you can see how much points we got. 7,446. So that's pretty good coins. Pretty good points. And we get... Ooh, Antonio Gates. Limited time card. Ooh, we get a nice Rob Nikovic's captain card. Ooh, Adam Jones. Marco Murray. Their free safety. And a Doug Baldwin of Reggie Nelson. Not that bad of a pack. We could have done better like in our past ones with legends and stuff. Okay. Ooh! Clinton Portis. Let's go. Is that our only elite? Damn. Nope, we got center Travis Frederick. Ooh! I never heard of that flashback player. Not a mobile. He's out yet. Okay. That was buns. That was a bad pack. Even though we got that 92 overall still. It's another pack. Oh my god. Such a bad pack right there. Guido. Ooh, Jamie Collins. Ooh, Patrick Pearson. Dynamic Forge. Okay. That was a pretty good pack. Only 2,000 more points, so yeah. Plus I go right here, but I'm good. They're one of my favorite YouTubers. Ooh, Sebastian Vollmer. Is that it? Oh, we also got Devontae Freeman. Then we're probably gonna do a draft for you guys. We might do a draft after this pack. When we're packing this, we'll do a draft. Just for the heck of it. We're gonna do one more pack. We're gonna see the cards. Ooh, oh, okay, yeah. Okay, let's go to Pack Simulator. Ooh, okay, let's go to Pack Simulator. Can you check other packs or something? Let's open 2 of these packs for you guys. We do get an Odell Beckham Jr. Okay, we'll do one more. Oh, probably do like a draft, possibly. Just for like the heck of it. Oh, we get Devontae Freeman, a quarterback at our position, Antonio Brown. Not that good, so we're gonna go into what's the team builder thing? Oh, that's the thing. Okay, let's go into let's do a draft right quick, then we'll stop. I wanna get Bill O'Brien. Yeah, Skim Prime Maxwell. Okay, we're gonna get a tight end. For safety. Whatever, let's see, just in case. Where are the elites? Like, come on. Go there, free safety. Yeah, we're gonna go to the center. Oh, yeah, we're definitely getting Luke Kuechly. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, sorry. Okay, center. Yeah, we do. Do we have a right end, right tackle? No, we don't. This would be good. Linebacker, yes, we do. Left outside linebacker. No, we don't. Outside linebacker. Left end, we don't. Left tackle, we don't. Quarterback, we do. Let's go with the best pick, I think, would be left tackle, Ryan Love. Whatever it is. Tackle, we have a tight end. We have. Ooh, okay, let's go. Boom. Glover Quinn. Okay, here we go. Yeah. I think we can do something here. Oh, there's our draft. Let's go 2. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And like I said in my other video, how to get Shell Movie Box. Like and subscribe, guys, and thank you for watching.